Okay. Oh gosh, you look exactly like me.
Say next. Sitting home, watch my gram move vex. Me a one like a rule girl, I chase them checks.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my mum,
Elizabeth.
and we finally got round to making this video because she's so busy and hardworking. So I forced her and pressurized her to make this video.
Too much pressure.
So I'm gonna be doing a full face of what I've done on my face on hers because she's going out anyway. So I'm gonna transform her and just do a full face beat on her. Primer actually protects your skin before you put foundation.
How much did this? I need to buy some because I do makeups a lot.
It's like, I think it's only £14 or £12.
From where?
Foundation. I'm going to use my cow on her because I'm Marquise's and this is too light for me. My mum's lighter than me, so this will look much better on her skin than it does to mine.
Are you going to give it to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll come thinking I need one. I do.
You see? What are you wearing? Are you wearing something that comes up to your neck or not?
No. I'm going to the funeral, so I'm going to wear black.
Okay.
Not for my neck.
I'm going to take it just a tiny.
Because it's full of fluid. I just finished it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's so soft now.
Fawn, we taught her how to use fawn. This is your colour anyway, but I'm going to mix it with what I use just a tiny bit. So I'm going to do your chin, a tiny bit for your nose, a tiny bit for your forehead, and this bit. Then I'm doing exactly what I do on my face on hers, but a bit more subtle because she doesn't like the brightness. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of the NARS concealer. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. This is like the best part. No, I need you to look up. Now, I like a nice harsh nose contour because my nose is bigger than my mum's, but because her nose is already small, we don't need to contour it too much.
Because it's already nice. My nose is already nice. Nice and slim. Today.
Actually will, that's the thing. And I'm going to use, where's my favourite thing to use? This is what's going to make your makeup nice and dark.
And how much is on? I need to buy one.
Mommy, this is like...
How much?
20 something pounds.
Okay, but I need to buy one. I need to buy that.
Okay. Oh gosh, you look exactly like me.
Yes! Yes, I look exactly like my daughter, Vanessa Black.
Powder to get a little bit of colour to your face so you don't look too white. I like to mix both. Now for the eyeshadow, Mummy, what colour eyeshadow would you like? I'm wearing purple. Do you want yours purple? I just got a tiny bit of purple.
No, instead of purple. Okay. But do you have the brown?
Yeah, I have brown. I use brown and purple. But
okay, yeah, use brown and purple.
We can put just a tiny bit of purple. Make sure you close it because I'm going to spray, okay? So do you want it the brown gloss?
Yes.
By Rihanna, Fenty.
It's so soft and nice.
So guys, this is the finished look. So I've literally transformed my mum, my African mum, into me. Mommy, how are you finding it?
It's good. I look good. I look nice. I like my makeup.
Yeah.
I like the hair.
It looks very nice.
I like everything. It looks so nice.
You look exactly like me.
Yes, I look so different today. Oh God.
Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes.
Don't forget to thumbs up for having my mum on my channel.
Yes.
And subscribe to my channel if you want me to feature more videos like this. And also thumbs up so other people can see the video as well.
Yes.
So we can get more views for this video. So do you have anything to say, mommy?
Yes, what I'm going to say is watch my next video. My next outing, Vanessa will do my makeup again, and I will look myself like Elizabeth, not Vanessa. Today is Vanessa, but next time it will be me, myself, Elizabeth. Thank you.
Bye guys.
Bye.